Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a vegetarian recipe with you, and that is red pumpkin bhaji. We also call it bhopra. Okay, now here I've washed the vegetable thoroughly in water and I will now discard the seeds. So I'm chopping off the seed part here. It's a very healthy vegetable which you should include in your daily meals or your regular meals. Now I will not be removing the skin. I'll retain the skin and I'll just chop them into small cubes. Say 1 inch should be fine. Okay, keep them nice and big. So now that we have cut our pumpkin, we will go to the masala that you require for this bhaji. Here I have taken grated dry coconut, then charoli, sesame seeds, coriander seeds, black pepper, poppy seeds, cinnamon, cloves. I will roast all these ingredients now. I've kept the pan on the fire now and I will dry roast all these ingredients. No oil is required, okay? Now you can see the color has changed. I have roasted the ingredients to a nice golden brown color. I am placing them in a blender. So I will powder them. In the same pan, I have taken oil. I'll let the oil get nice and hot. Then I will add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start to splutter, I will add fenugreek seeds, that is methi. Methi seeds add a different flavor to your curry. After that, I will add my cumin seeds. Yes, half a teaspoon, okay? The flame is on low. After my mustard seeds, I've reduced the flame so that these ingredients don't burn. Fine. Now you will add curry leaves. Curry leaves are also a must in your daily diet. Okay, try and include your curry leaves in your dal and sabji. They're good for health. Now that we have added all the masalas here, I mean the mustard seeds and curry leaves and cumin seeds, now we will add the pumpkin. And I'll give the pumpkin a nice stir. Let all the oil be spread on the pumpkin pieces before you start adding the dry masala. Okay, so the dry masala will stick to the pumpkin pieces. So here we go with the dry masala. I added little hing here, that is asafoetida. Then little turmeric powder, chili powder. This is goda masala. Yes, goda masala even has dry coconut in it. Okay. Now after adding all the dry masalas, again we'll give it a good stir. So all the masala, the pumpkin pieces are coated with all the masala. Fine. So this you have to do before adding water. You can see the masalas are nicely coated the pumpkin. They already look yummy. And now we will add water. I've added approximately 1 cup of water here. Now we'll let the sabji come to a boil. We will have to cook this bhaji for at least 10 minutes. So before covering it with a lid, we will add salt. I've taken approximately 1 teaspoon salt. And now I will cover the vessel with a water lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Fine. Let the bhaji come to a good boil before you cover it with a water lid. Now here I am adding some water. After 10 minutes, I've just checked the pumpkin is well cooked, and now I'm going to add the masala. This is a special masala we had dry roasted and ground. Fine. Wow, the aroma is just yummy. So after adding the masala and mixing it, you can see the gravy has reduced. You can always add a little more water later on to your requirement. Now here I am taking 2 tablespoons tamarind and jaggery pulp, and I'll be adding that. Tamarind and jaggery is another yummy ingredient, enhances the taste of the dish. Now after adding all the ingredients, I'm taken just a dash of ginger. I've grated the ginger fine and I've mixed it with the bhaji. Please do not add extra ginger, because that will dominate the flavor of the. Just a dash of ginger I've added. Fine. And here I've added coriander leaves, so that again they add to the flavor of the dish. I've kept some coriander leaves for garnish. And our curry is nearly done. Our pumpkin bhaji is ready. I added little water before transferring it to a serving dish. So you have some little gravy. Your bhaji is a little nice and gravy. You can have with bhakri or with chapati. It's just yummy. You don't need anything else when you have this bhaji. It's so tasty and it's so healthy that you're just going to love this pumpkin bhaji. We say bhopra, and some even say lal kaddu. This is vegetable. This is a dish from Vidarbha, and my friend had prepared this for me and I just loved it. So I thought of sharing the same with you. So do try this dish at home and give me your feedback. And yes, friends, if you have liked today's recipe, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye.